Hi there. In this video we are going to learn about geological landforms. For more such video, don't forget to subscribe. So, let's start today's topic. Geological landforms. We can simply say structures made by geological elements such as water, wind, glacier, etc. In this video we are going to start with landform developed due to wind erosion. Landforms are YARDANG, VENTIFACTS, Pedestal rocks, blowout and lag deposits. And depositional landforms are major type sand dunes: BARCHAN, parabolic, longitudinal, star dune and dome. Let's start with the YARDANG. A yardang is a streamlined hill carved from bedrock or any consolidated semi-consolidated material by the action of wind abrasion. Yardangs are formed by wind erosion, typically on areas formed of harder and softer material. The soft material is eroded and removed by the wind. VENTIFACTS. VENTIFACTS are rocks that have been abraded, pitted, etched, grooved or polished by wind-driven sand. These geomorphic features are most typically conditions: 1. Found in arid environments. 2. Little vegetation to interfere with aeolian particle transport, frequently strong winds. When ancient VENTIFACTS are preserved without being moved or disturbed, they may serve as paleo wind indicators. The wind direction at the time the VENTIFACT formed will be parallel to grooves or striations cut in the rock. Pedestal rocks. Pedestal rock, also called mushroom rock, is a naturally occurring rock whose shape, as its name implies, strikingly resembles a mushroom. Usually found in desert areas. Wind erosion of an isolated rocky outcrop progresses at a different rate at its bottom to that at its top. Abrasion by wind-borne grains of sand is most prevalent within the first 3 feet of the ground. Bases of outcrops to erode more rapidly than their tops. Blowout. Blowout wind deflation of soil can result in the removal of silt and clay, producing a deflated bowl called a blowout. Lag deposits. A lag deposit is the deposition of material winnowed by physical action. Aeolian processes, fluvial processes, and tidal processes can remove the finer portion of a sedimentary deposit, leaving the coarser material behind. Now we discuss the landform developed due to wind deposition. So in the syllabus, major types are 1. BARCHAN, 2. Parabolic, 3. Longitudinal, 4. Star dune, and 5. Dome. BARCHAN dunes. These dunes form under winds that blow consistently from one direction, and they are known as BARCHAN dunes. BARCHAN-shaped mounds are generally wider than they are long. The slit faces are on the concave sides of the dunes. Parabolic dunes. U-shaped mounds of sand with convex noses trailed by elongated arms are parabolic dunes. These dunes are formed from blowout dunes where the erosion of vegetated sand leads to a U-shaped depression. Unlike BARCHAN-shaped dunes, their crests point upwind. Transverse dunes. A large, strongly asymmetrical, elongated dune lying at right angles to the prevailing wind direction. Transverse dunes have a gently sloping windward side and a steeply sloping leeward side. Most beach dunes are transverse dunes. Longitudinal dunes. Longitudinal dunes, linear dunes, are elongated dunes parallel to the prevailing wind direction. These may form from the BARCHAN dunes if a change of the usual wind direction occurs. Star dune dunes. Radially symmetrical, star dunes are pyramidal sand mounds with slip faces on 3 or more arms that radiate from the high center of the mound. They tend to accumulate in areas with multidirectional wind regimes. Star dunes grow upward rather than laterally. In the southeast Badin-Jaran Desert of China, the star dunes are up to 500 meters tall and may be the tallest dunes on Earth. Dome dunes. These are circular to oval mounds of loose, well-sorted, very fine to medium sand. Simple dome dunes are only a few meters in height and decameters in diameter. Slip faces are absent or ephemeral and only a meter. That's it for this video. For more such video, don't forget to subscribe.